2020, 2021. The COVID pandemic has shaken the world. We are living with fear, uncertainties, stresses, and strains. In Cinema for a Cause's web series, Fear, Dealing with Uncertainties in Corona Times, we had eminent neuropsychiatrist and writer Dr. Poddokoli Kaur, who discussed and deliberated on how to manage ourselves in such troubled times. Cinema for a Cause presents Fear, Dealing with Uncertainties in Corona Times.
Accepting a totally new reality is painful for some and greatly painful for many. And when it is a serious crisis like the coronavirus pandemic, then people are faced with the fear, anxiety, frustration, and uncertainty. But human beings have innate power for adaptation and resilience. So they eventually learned how to accept and adjust to the new normal. Fear is actually counterproductive. When the mind is in a fear state, the brain is fueled by adrenaline-related activity and is in a flight or fight mode. When you learn to accept and adjust with the real situation, then the feelings of worry, depression, and frustration usually diminishes. And overall, when the brain returns or regains its normal activity, that is, it comes back to its normal state after the fight or flight mode, then it can think rationally, appraise the situation more rationally, and also it can face the world with optimism and think about constructive solutions to the problems. They can also then focus on the positive aspects of any crisis, like focusing on the silver lining of the dark cloud, like they got time to spend with their near and dear ones, which they normally don't get. They got some time to nurture their hobbies, and they also could get a kind of relief from the pressure of the daily rat race. People were also advised to get information from government authorized portals, because fake news and all kinds of rumors were floating around. Then journaling, by maintaining a journal in the state of isolation, by penning their thoughts down, they can get an outlet for ventilating their thoughts. Apart from this, they can also maintain a regular routine, because it helps to reduce the feeling of uncertainty and unproductivity. Then people were advised to engage in activities which helps them to relax, like meditation or listening to music, gardening, painting, etc. People are also advised to nurture their hobbies, but at the same time not to pressurize themselves to get a new skill, to acquire a new skill during the period of crisis, because as it is, the people were facing a grave situation, and surviving on a day-to-day basis was an achievement in itself. People were also advised to approach the government telecalling centers and the government portals for free services of psychological counseling. Of course, during the COVID pandemic, as people were hit by depression and frustration, several instances of high-profile suicides were highlighted by the media. But even among the common people, some studies have indicated that the rate of depression and suicide was very high during the height of the lockdown compared to the pre-pandemic period. you.